sa Berhen ng Antipolo. Now we are blessed to have an exclusive interview with our Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Chelsea Manalo, and along with Sir Manny Halasan. So, meron po kami hinandang question sa inyo. First question po is, we all know that Miss Chelsea really honors your parents, no, according to your interviews then, especially your mother po. And because of that, we would like to ask how your mother inspired and guided you throughout your journey po sa Miss Universe. And also, can you relate it po sa guidance na nakukuha niyo po sa ating spiritual mother po, our Mother Mama Mary?
Well, it's not just my mom, but my dad around me. Every time meron akong mga activities kasi lagi silang nandyan. Sila yung nag-pursue sa akin to pursue my dreams, to do pageantry. Hindi naman nila ako hinadlangan. They were always there to guide me in every way. And most importantly is to keep on praying. Alam mo yun, to keep my faith in there. Sabi nga nila na when you're at your lowest, sometimes you have to lift it up to the Lord, to Mary itself. Lalo na kay Mama Mary kasi siya yung sobrang maawain na ina na kaya kanyang pakinggan at tulungan. My mom has always been there for me sa mga struggles ko, sa mga challenges ko, but she never left me alone. Lagi niya akong tinulungan. And because of that, na-extend ang family ko and I found another family here with me, Sir Manny, who guided me also throughout my whole journey, blessed me and mas lalong naging strong yung faith ko to pursue pageantry, to keep my dreams more stronger. Now that I'll be competing very soon sa Mexico, I'm very privileged and blessed enough to be here sa Antipolo Church from Father Nante to bless me and of course to meet our Mother Mary here.
Thank you so much, Miss Chelsea. So, meron po kami question for Sir Manny. So, just so you know po, si Sir Manny po ay isang deboto din po ng Mahal na Birhen ng Antipolo. And Sir Manny, as a friend and designer of Miss Chelsea po, we would like to ask po, how does your devotion and faith to Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage affects your support to Miss Chelsea?
Oh. Actually, kung before sobra yung paniniwala ko kay Mama Mary, ngayon mas grabe yung hindi lang basta paniniwala, it's also inspiration to other na kung meron kang pinapanalangin, ipagdasal mo lang and ibibigay niya sa tamang oras.
Yes. Ayan, thank you so much, Sir Manny. And also, meron pa po kami question for you, Miss Chelsea. What message would you like to send to the young people, especially, who look up to you and share your faith about pursuing your dream?
Well, it's always just about pursuing your dream no matter how hard and risk it is. Lagi ako naniniwala sa perfect timing. I've gone through a lot. It's not always my time. I've always been there sa mga lowest points ko. But of course, it's not always gonna be there. You have to somehow lift yourself up. Keep your faith. Keep your dreams burning. Your time will come. No matter what skin color it is, hair it is now, you're beautiful as your own. You have your own unique beauty. It's what my parents always tell me na maganda ka in your own eyes, in your own unique ways, and your dreams, no matter how hard it is, try to pursue it even if it's not yet your highest. Kasi yung mga lowest points mo in your life are what will make you learn, what will grow you into a much more empowering person.
Thank you so much, Miss Chelsea. And meron po kaming question for you, Sir Manny. Just so you know po, Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage came from Acapulco, Mexico. And the Miss Universe competition will be held at Mexico as well. So, Sir Manny, I would like to ask, ano po yung nakakamdaman niyo na sa Mexico din po siya? Any pressure right now?
Actually, nung nag-message ako kay Father Dante, parang kinonfirm ko ulit if saan po ulit galing si Our Lady of Antipolo. Tumatayo yung balihibo ko now. And sabi niya, sa Acapulco, and doon gagawin yung Miss Universe. Ayan, tumatayo yung lahat. Oo. Parang, actually, yung nangyari kasi is, nung birthday ko ng December, ang gusto lang naman namin is magbigay ng gift para kay Mama Mary. Sabi nga namin, kahit hindi yung original or replica lang yung magawa namin. Pero si Father Nante, sabi hindi, gawan mo yung original ng crown. At sabi ni Father Dante, baka pinapunta ka dito ni Mama Mary kasi may okasyon kami sa January, which is doon in-announce yung international shrine, yung Antipolo. And ayun, ayan, kaya nandyan yung crown na yan. So, hindi ko rin ang sinabi ko lang naman kay Mama Mary during that time, sabi ko, Mama Mary, Lord, gawin niyo po akong instrument, gawin niyo pong instrument yung talent ko para mas makatulong sa mas maraming tao at sa nangangailangan. Hindi pa naman, wala pa namang Miss Universe eh, hindi pa kami nakikita ni Chelsea. Basta yun lang sinasabi ko, kung sino nangangailangan, kung pwede ko pang ma-share yung talent ko sa ibang tao at makapagbigay ng inspiration, tulungan niyo po ako para gift niyo pa po ako ng mas maraming talent para ma-share natin lahat to.
Very gifted nga
Yes,
naman.
we are so blessed po. So, Miss Chelsea po, I would like to ask, ano po yung una niyong naramdaman nung
Nanghina ako when I first saw her. Actually, hindi pa nga eh. Parang on the way here, kinakabahan ako. Alam mo yung parang ako makikipag-date. Parang kinakabahan. But when I first saw her, nandito pa lang siya sa glass inside. I saw her eyes. Nakikipag-usap na siya agad. So, I just went right in and then I had to pray para makipag-usap sa kanya. So, she's so beautiful. Sobrang ganda niya. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ako makaalis ng tingin sa kanya kasi she's so beautiful.
Yeah, lastly po, I would like to ask, ano po yung gusto niyo sabihin kay Mama Mary? As last question po dito sa...
Well, of course, tulungan niya ako mauwi yung 5th crown here in the Philippines. And of course, I'm praying for each and everyone's most desired prayers also to help everyone who are asking for help. Dahil siya lang naman yung mas makakatulong sa atin as a mother na maawain. At alam ko na lahat ng prayers natin, lahat yon matutupad naman in our own time.
Yes. Sir Manny, ano po gusto sabihin?
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng blessing na binibigay niyo sa amin, sa pamilya ko, sa mga tao na mahal ko, at sa mga tao sa paligid ko. Maraming salamat. And wala na akong mahihiling kung alam niyo naman kung anong makakabuti sa amin at makakabuti sa akin. Kayo na pong bahala. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, thank you so much po. Again, we have your Miss Chelsea and Sir Manny po.
Thank you.
Viva la Virgen!
Viva la Virgen!